Dr. Reeves, one of the things that's the most challenging in this current environment, as we're all in different places in the country, and even in an educational setting when we want to do everything digitally, is how do you set up? And full disclosure, we do a PCG does have training modules that were created by Dr. Reeves in the NTAC model in how she teaches it. So we have these assets for folks. We're out there saying, hey, you should buy these, but help me understand how those fit in and what you do specifically to make sure that something like that, a digital asset, actually is effective for a consumer.
Yeah, I mean, in the ideal world, what would be really great is to be able to have that in-person training with your threat assessment teams. And I always say, I think the most effective trainings that I do is when school teams can come together to the training, they're sitting around the same table. And again, we're facilitating that training. They're learning how to do the standardized approach. And we're actively integrating and working case studies. And they are right there, right off the bat, engaging that team and working that team approach. Where I think the PCG online modules can be really helpful is for new employees that may come on board, in the middle of the school year, or if you're not able to do in-person trainings, every year, but maybe do those every other year. And then in the interim, you can have people do the online modules. The online modules mimic the in-person training. I always say it's a little hard to teach a multidisciplinary team process when people are sitting in front of their individual computers, but it's better than nothing. And even within those modules, we are explaining, how this integrates within that multidisciplinary team approach. So, in an ideal world, it's that blend of in person training, but utilizing those online modules to train new folks that are coming on board, or someone that might have done the training 2 years ago and now needs to have a refresher. That's where I think those online modules can really benefit some of the in person experiences. But going through those online modules is better than having nothing. So you are learning how to do it the right way according to best practice, and you're getting guidance, and you're getting, the sample forms to guide the process. All of that is included within those online modules.